GRADEL is a company which is doing special purpose equipment. We are doing this for nuclear business. We are doing it for space equipment. The company itself is existing since 50 years and we are specialized in niche markets. As GRADEL has an engineering office which is used to do specific purpose equipment for nuclear, we took this expertise also for space. And 10 years ago we started to make these mechanical ground support equipment. GRADEL's aim is to become a leader in ultra-lightweight for space market. For preparing this, we made a market and technology study last year with ultra-lightweight materials used in space today. And with this study, we are demonstrating definitely that ultra-lightweight with XFK in 3D is playing a very important role for the next decade.